Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the CapCut watermark at the end of your videos in CapCut. So if I went to new project here and selected a video and pressed add, you'll be able to see that there's going to be like a CapCut watermark at the end of the video. It's taking so long to load for some reasons. There we go. Like here, as you can see, you can just press delete, but if you don't want that to show up all the time, just go back to the home page, go to settings, and select the discard ending and select discard. And whenever you open up a new project, it's not going to be there anymore. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button. As well, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!